We're now going to cover the player class, which will help store information for either the computer or for the human. So it'll store things such as the total amount of money, the current hand, the current bet, whether or not they've played or not that turn, whether they've acted. It'll help create a phrase to say, all right, the human bets 20 or the computer calls 10 and so forth. That's what this method does. And also a method for creating the winner string, like how did they win? What do they win with? So we won't be instantiating this class exactly ever, this player class. This will be known as a base class and it will be inherited. So this is a more complex topic. Python allows for inheritance. The easiest way to think about this is to think of a base class as a template in the same way that car manufacturers have these base vehicles versus these fully loaded vehicles. So you can buy a car that is like the base class where there are not many extra features. These are just all the features that come with all of their models. Or you can, build or purchase a car that has all these base features plus many others, these like fully loaded vehicles. So what we're going to do is we're going to extend this class upcoming with new classes. When you extend the class, you basically just use all of these methods as a base and then add your own methods to make them to add more features. So that's all that is. It's not too complex, at least for the basics of inheritance. You just use what the base class has plus add many more methods.